Good morning, happy Monday. What's going on, everyone? Ooh, I'm just taking a look at the market. AMC went parabolic, eh? What's it doing now? Oh, it fell off a cliff. Look how flatline that was. Jesus. I wouldn't go chasing. In my opinion, I wouldn't chase. Okay, so I posted our key levels today. The first key level for puts, 453.32. It's currently rejecting right now. I don't know if I want to hit it again. Because on Friday we hit my level pre-market and did not even come close and fell off of a cliff. Yeah, so we're just going to wait and see. I'm going to be watching I didn't post. I have these two key levels, 452.80 and 452.60. I did not post them because they are not very, very strong key levels. Maybe 452.60 will hit calls. Other than that, we got to wait to see. I don't want to just leave people key levels and they have something to do for the day, so they just start playing my key levels when I don't have full conviction in them. So I need to really see how the price action is. But ideally 452.62 is, because you can just see where we bounced off yesterday. I would love to hit calls there. The main levels, I'm looking for these two main levels, to be honest. 1 second. I got to put previous close. For some reason, I've been forgetting to put previous close on my screen, guys. So 18. Make it dotted, make it look a bigger. There you go. Okay, so ideally these are the levels that like I want to hit for puts, okay? So 454.71, 453.95 and 453.70, okay? That's what I'm going to be watching. We're currently rejecting off my first key level, but I don't know if it's going to happen again. So we're going to wait. I'd rather hit calls where we're supposed to hit calls. 452.62. I'm going to add that to the key levels. $452.62. There you go. All right, we are Gucci. We're good to go. Remember, guys, keep it simple, okay? Don't overthink anything. Stop making trading so difficult. Plan where you're going to buy, where you're going to sell, where you're going to stop out, and where you're going to take profit from now. You know the key levels. Everyone has them on their screen. Don't over sorry, got sidetracked. Don't make trading hard, guys. Okay? Don't overcomplicate shit. Know where you're gonna buy, know where you're gonna sell. Okay, we got our key levels, are ready to go. Usually when I look at a chart like this, I'm like, okay, today's gonna be bullish, right? That's how I'm seeing it, and every time it's always the opposite. So I have a feeling today could be a red day. But fuck, who cares what your feelings are, right? Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I got everyone get their brokers open. Remember, if you are new here, we are playing safer contracts, okay, at least 1 day out, 2 days out. We're taking profits anywhere between 10 cents up to 20 cents on those contracts. Okay, we are not bag holding, and we are risking the same amount we're making on a trade. We're not gonna plan that to make $100 and lose 300. If our goal is to make 150 on a trade, we are stopping out at $150 loss on a trade. Do not let losses outdo your wins. And do not let your losses be more than what you're willing to make on a trade. Very simple. Very, very simple. Okay. We got to wait to see. Right. I don't know if we should be in calls or puts, so I'm going to wait. I'm going to let my key level sit, okay? Remember, the more chart that you have to work with is the better your play is going to be. You get me. Yeah, I have like a chest infection. It's freaking giving me anxiety. But yeah, I drink way too much on the weekend. Poolside, too much. All right. Everyone, we're going to make money today, okay? Law of attraction. We're going to make good money. We're going to get our losses back if we had losses. And we're not giving up. If we enter a trade and we lose, it's okay. We're not even going to worry about it. We're going to hop back in the next trade. Get our loss back. We're not going to let that one loss affect our day. You cannot be right every single trade. Learn to lose. Come on, man. Okay, I'm getting puts ready on my screen. 453 puts. This is our key level right here. This may be a quick little play right here. 453.94 is the best spot. I'm gonna get puts right now. I'm literally getting puts right now. Okay. As soon as my brokerage opens. Okay, I'm in 454 puts, guys. 454 puts. Same days. I'm in at 101. I have a starter position because I plan to hit it up here. Holy shit. Okay, this is where you buy puts, okay? This is where you go. I'm going to go the 26, 454 puts, okay? This is where we're supposed to buy. I'm at my key level, and I'm in. Okay? And I'm going to sell if this line becomes support. That's it. 454 support, I'm selling. Okay? 454 support. I'm in July 26 puts, 454 at $2.15. It's the opening candle. Anything could happen. This thing can just keep ripping to infinity and beyond. But I don't like playing first candle, but we're at our key level, so I bought. Okay? I did safe puts. Those same days just went to absolute trash, so I'm not in those. This is previous resistance of yesterday, guys. This is why I'm in heavy in puts right now. It makes complete sense. Look at Friday's chart, and I told you if this line becomes support, I'm getting out. And the only reason why I cut my same days is because we moved up so fast. I lost like 20 cents on those, and I just hit this contract with size, okay? I'm in a massive position size because we were at resistance of yesterday. What are these contracts doing? Remember, all you got to do is just zoom out and look at yesterday's on Friday's chart. Okay, very, very simple. Why we're in puts right now, and you know exactly where to cut them. This line support is going to get cut. I'm cutting all mine if this line becomes support. And honestly, if we make a new high, I may debate on just cutting these for a tiny L because just in case there's fuckery bars that come in, okay? So let's just say if it goes above, hold on, my contracts are at what? My contracts are even right here. So let's wait to see. We are at resistance, Friday's resistance. We did blow through 2 key levels without retesting, and all these EMAs at the bottom. I hate playing the first bar, guys, but I may just hold this down. I may hold it down, and if it comes support, I'm just gonna get out. And by the way, I went up in this contract. I could have sold it, and I didn't. So remember, usually big Hulk bars like this, guys, are followed through with another green bar. Okay, I went down 10 cents, guys, on my contract. I'm only down 10 cents right now. What the hell's pushing this news right now? Or what's doing this? Okay, I just doubled down at $1.99 on these contracts. If we go any more upwards, I'm going to cut these. And if you are not in puts, 454.71 is the best spot for puts on here. We're playing key levels, guys, right? It was the previous resistance of yesterday. It has not even been tested to support any of these. That's why we are in puts right now. This thing could be squeezing. We don't know what's happening. We don't want to predict the future. We buy where we're supposed to buy. I'm in puts right now because this is where we're supposed to be in puts right now. Okay? So I'm in it. My cost average is $2.07 right now on July 26, 454 puts. This is where we enter puts. Literally right here. Literally, this is the best spot. And if it goes any higher than the high, we cut it and then we enter at 454.71. That is it. This bar, I don't know why that bar's so big. I don't know what happened. I don't know if there's news coming out, but I'm buying where the hell I'm supposed to buy. I'm not getting shook out. I did safe contracts for a reason. Those same days went against me so quickly. I didn't even add. I only had 25 contracts in there. So now I'm up on my puts. All I did is add when I was supposed to add. And where I'm planning to sell these. So you have to pay very, very close attention. So our major key level is 453.95. So we are going to retest this no matter what. This could act as a support. So this could be a sell target, to be honest. Right here, 453.95 could be a sell target. Resistance, previous resistance from Friday. That's previous resistance from Friday. Okay. So we want to make sure we do not turn this into a support. If we do, this could be an entry for calls too. I don't want to enter calls right now because we have 1, 2, and 3 levels that were not retested. I'm choosing not to. I'm choosing not to play it, okay? Anyone know if what news came out or something? Why did SPY rip that much? I'm holding down puts. I don't care. I can't see where this is possibly going. these upper levels, maybe the gap fill above, but that just squeezed way too quickly, so I ain't tripping. What are my contracts doing? And this is something where, guys, if you bought where you're supposed to buy or added down, you can just keep your stop loss at your break-even price, right? So it's a zero risk trade. As of right now, this is zero risk trade for me. I'm almost up 20 cents with 200 contracts, so I'm about to dip this, to be honest, guys. Okay, I sold completely out at 222 from 207. There's a lot more downside potential, okay? But I'm not holding for it. That's it. I bought 100 contracts. I doubled down with 100 contracts at 199, and I sold for almost a 20 cent gain, or almost a 20 cent gain. Anyone who hit that? Why is there not enough W's in the chat? Like, you guys could have rinsed and repeated this play. Like, this is like the third candle that's went down deep. If you got stopped out, you probably played same days. If you got stopped out, you probably didn't do safe enough contracts, guys. There's a reason why I'm doing 2 days out. I did 2 days out. Same day, 75.91. Good job. Yeah, probably. That's what I'm talking about. I lost 500 on my first trade, guys. I bought a same days. In 1 second, I was down like 20 cents. Stopped out of those. I hit 100 contracts at the top. I don't even care about position side. I bought in at the top at 215. I doubled down at $1.99, and I sold for almost a 20 cent dub. Okay? So that's why sizing in is when I say 25% to 50% to 100, you keep lowering your cost average down. You keep bringing that cost average down. There's a reasoning why. There's a reason why all of us size in, guys. You have to keep bringing your cost average down. You have to double the size of position. So start off with a 25%. Double that down. So now you have a 55% or 50%. So your cost average keeps shrinking with you, right? You're not holding the same stop loss. So pretty much where I originally bought in for, I sold for a 20% dub. Not 20% dub. A 20 cent, almost just shy of 20 cents. 48 to 16 is a perfect combination. Good job. And if we don't break this top right here, I want in again. If we don't break this high, I want in again. But I'm going to wait because the big move is going to happen. Probably that gap close. Just picture a magnet being here. Did we fill this gap? Okay, no, we didn't. We are very close to that gap, so I don't want to play puts until we hit that gap, in my opinion. There's no reason for calls. There's no reason for puts. So we're just going to wait, guys. We can't keep pressing our luck. I don't want to play middle ground. Yes, we are at key levels, but that being said, technically our key level, the resistance of yes on Friday is technically a support at the moment. So we do not want to think we're going to get inputs, okay? You see this line? Resistance on Friday, resistance on Friday, resistance on Friday, support today. I don't want puts right now until we hit this gap fill. Very, very simple. We may not hit the gap fill, but that's how I'm seeing it. Put a line at 455.20. 455.20. That's a previous gap fill that we're gonna come close to, if not hit it, and that's what we're gonna be playing. That's what I'm gonna be playing. What's ripping right now? Why the fuck is SPY ripping like that? That looks like a fuckery candle, if I'm being dead honest. Look, I said if it breaks this high, I don't want it. And it friggin' literally just breaks it, and then it comes down. You know what we're playing, okay? At 1 key level, 454.71 is the same key level that we rejected off yesterday on Friday, and we also rejected off on previous Thursday, and there was also support on the previous Wednesday, right? 454.71 was support Wednesday, resistance Friday or Thursday, resistance Friday pre-market. Of course, I want puts at that level. Oh, it comes out. Okay. Hopefully it rockets us up to the gap fill, and then we can hit puts. See, these puts went crazy. Those same days must have went nuts. 454 puts. It went 20 cents in the money. If you would have bought out the money, don't do this right now, man. It's not going to. It's not going to fucking die. What rigged shit? Look how big this morning candle was, man. Yo, this shit is rigged with this data, I'm telling you. Or was it priced in? Anyone have a W today? Does anyone have a W today? Or does anyone have a loss today? I know a couple people got stopped out. It's probably because you weren't doing safe contract. And if you didn't play that, good for you. I preach don't play the play the opening candle, and that's why. This is the reason why I say don't play opening candle. Look how many look at 1, 2, 3 broke through fucking 3 key levels. There's a reason why. It's good you didn't play it. When I doubled down at the top, that's when you guys should have got in if you weren't in it. But look at this shit, man. I think calls at 453.32 may print. If you're wondering why, look at the pre-market yesterday. You see how it was resistance all pre-market today, and yesterday it was used as a support in some cases. I think we can hit calls at 453.32. You Scrooge, what are you doing? You stayed in those puts? Bruh, you guys have to stop out when a play goes against you. Good job, Zen. That's bullshit. You did same days and only made freaking 7 cents. That could have went freaking extremely far against you guys. You guys got to learn to stop out, man. That's how you have catastrophic losses when you're playing same days and not stopping out. Not even same days. Guys, if it hits your max risk, you have to dip. If your goal is to make 400 to 800, you can't lose more than 400 to 800 on a trade. right? Like, you guys got to get very, very good with your stop losses. I told you I stopped out of those same days, and I got safer contracts. Okay, I hit with bigger size where I'm supposed to. Yeah, I know. That's why I don't like same days. Then you got to be very careful. Trust me, you make more money in the long run off of non-same days, right? Me too. Not stopping out was the reason I blew multiple accounts as well. It's a fact. You have to learn to stop out, guys. Even if I call out a play and I'm still holding, if you go down and you can't add in to bring your cost average down, just stop out. I don't care if I'm in, right? I don't know about your account, guys. I'm playing for myself, and you're here to learn from that, right? So I can't tell you guys to stop out. I don't know your cost average, right? And I also don't want to, if I have conviction in the play, that doesn't mean shit because it can still go against me. You know what I mean? So I don't want to tell anyone else. But everyone with my play here would have, if you guys entered, would have made money. And I did 2 days out. I bought in, I doubled down, and then we caught the move. Okay, that was it. You have to learn to stop out. You can always re-enter, guys. You can always re-enter a trade. Stop out and get better contracts. Don't be scared to take a little L. Don't worry. Losing is part of it. Of course, I fucking added in at the high of day 2. What a piss off. Oh, those contracts are pretty shit right now. I sold at 222. They're only at 228. That's crazy. That's not even that big of a deal. Yeah, exactly, Ocho. I know. Yeah, take your wins then. A dip. Take it a dip. Okay, guys, I want to hit calls only if we come down to like 452.80 to 452.62. Okay, I don't want to play calls in no fucking 454 range. Get the hell out of here. I ain't touching no calls up here. I don't care if I miss out. I know where I'm gonna hit puts. Okay, 454.71 to 455.20 is the put zone. That is the put zone. Why? We have a gap at 455.20 that has not been filled. We will most likely reject off that. That's my plan. And just keep it simple, okay? See, look how fast things change. Look how fast things change, right? Okay, we're coming down to our level. I'm going to get 452 calls on my screen ready to go. 452 calls. We're approaching the level where I want to buy the 200 EMA, and the 5 minute is right under. We broke through all these EMA lines. We are currently at previous resistance on pre-market. This is why it's going to be calls right here for a snipe play. I'm not doing same days either. I'll probably do 1 day out instead, even though I'm sniping. I don't trust same days. There's way too big volatile moves. I'm not trying to lose money. Okay, 452 calls on my screen ready to go for the 25th. 200 EMAs right underneath. I'm checking the 30 minute. Holy shit. Look at the 30 minute. Look at that 30 minute candle. Wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. $200 EMAs approaching. It's at the 48 to the 48. It's pretty fucking strong in the 50. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 452 calls. Hopefully we get a nice... I'm gonna likely size into this one, okay? Because this is a good spot right now. We are at a good spot right now. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna buy in right here, and I'm stopping out right here. Okay, I'm gonna let this go like 20 cents. Okay, I'm in. I'm at 452 calls. Okay, 452 calls for tomorrow. So we buy in right here, and we're stopping out on this line right here, okay? I have 452 calls for July 25th. Okay, I have a starter position. I'm not in big right now, but this is where we're supposed to bounce. If you just zoom out of the chart, yes, a 30-minute looks bearish as hell right now. That's why we're giving it a 20 cents range. We're buying here, stopping out here. When's this next candle come? In 1 minute, we should be able to get a nice rip up right here. I'm taking profits at the 200, okay? I'm taking profits at the 200. Keep going. We should come up here, but it could reject off the 200 EMA, okay? This should come a lot higher, but this is where it can reject. If we make a new low, you got to dip. We bought where we're supposed to buy. Okay, for some reason these contracts didn't move so much. I got like a very, very shitty fill, to be honest. Like a fucking poor fill. And I do not know why. So hopefully we get that rip up. We are overextended. That was a big drop. But the 200 EMAs where it can reject from, we're at it here. Hopefully we get some strength. We can come back up to 453.32 and get out. We'll just put it here. If you make a new low of day, you just cut it. New low of day, you cut it, okay? I'm probably going to sell some here because I'm up on the day. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Let's go. I'm going to start trimming. Keep going higher. Keep going higher. Okay, fucking I'm out at 212. I'm fucking out. It's going to go higher. It's going to go higher. Don't worry. Take those profits, though, guys. Take those profits. This thing could come tanking down or we could explode up. I don't care. As soon as I said come tanking down, you see how big that dropped? I literally sold the top of that. Let's fucking go. We're still bullish. We're still bullish. I'm not bearish right now. I'm still not bearish, guys. Don't worry. I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish. I may even get back in this shit. This is a big overreaction play. Like, technically, we can come all the way back up to here, and we probably will by the end of the day. I don't think we're done with the 454s today. This could be a big overreaction, but just sell out, guys. Take your profit. I secured the bag. Harry Trades, how did you possibly take an L on that trade? I called it literally at the bottom. Unless you got in early. Or unless you did a put there. But I literally called calls at 452.80, and that was the bottom. I like the overreaction play, though. But, guys, under the 200 EMA, we're bearish, but the candle's not done. I told you, I'm not bearish yet. I'm fucking bullish. Look at the bounce off the 100, bro. Let's go. Who fucking... this is going to be a big play. I should have held longer. I should have held for a bigger freaking win. Look at that shit. Not enough fucking W's in this chat for bottom taking this play. Not enough W's. Jesus Christ. No one lost money on that trade. We literally bought the bottom of the day. We literally bought the bottom. So no, it's impossible only if you went in puts. If you caught a call and you listened to why, I even said the reason why I want calls, guys. Previous support, look at all pre-market, look at yesterday, previous resistance, look at previous support of yesterday. We hit calls there right at the 100 MA. We broke through the 200, which is our free money line. We hit it. This is where I wanted to take profits, but the contracts didn't move too much. Ooh. That's it, though. This candle, wait for 1 minute. This candle has to close above the 200 EMA to remain bullish, okay? But the 30-minute, look at the 30-minute. Jeez. That's a freaking disgusting ass red candle. I don't even know what the hell's going to happen with this candle, so I'm not playing anything. Like, today hasn't been like the picture perfect setups, guys, but we're still fucking green. It takes one play. And you're going to realize, man, once you wait for the best setup hit with size, like I literally hit 200 contracts at the high of day. Pretty close to the high day. Made almost 20 cents on that. I'm fucking done. I don't care. Right? Now look at this. Ooh. Look at the overreaction, guys. We broke through every EMA line. We come back up. We retested all of them. Picture perfect play. Literally picture perfect play. I told you, if we close above the 200 EMA, if on the 5 minute we close above it, we're going higher. If we close beneath it, that could have been the rejection. Yo, this chat's dead today. Yo, why is this chat dead today? We literally shorted the high of day so far and bought calls at the bottom of the day. And people are fucking quiet. How are you red? Muniz, how the heck are you red today? Neil, are you up today? Did you do you did same days then, Muniz, right? Yeah, don't worry. Oh, you stopped out at the top? That's why, man. That was the best entry. That was the best spot to add at the top. It happens, don't worry. Trust me, I've realized not to stop out when a play goes against me at the high of day. I wait for the retest of the line I'm buying in at. Guys, hit those polls up. I put the polls up. Hit those polls up. Remember, today, and I don't even want to boost. Today wasn't like the easiest day to trade. The first opening bar was too much, but if we waited and didn't play the first opening bar, we would have got the high of day, only the high of day, and then we would have bought the low of day. Okay? But it happens. We stopped out, or we didn't stop out. We bought what we were supposed to buy. I stopped out of a same day because I thought we can get a quick reaction. I went very, very light. At the top, I added a big size position. I doubled down on the big size position. I made a good play. Came back from the bottom. I literally bought the low of day where we're supposed to buy. If you want to know why 452.80 is a key level, add that to your screen right now and just zoom out on the 5 minute chart. You will see why that line was the line to buy calls off of. And remember, when you take a loss, guys, you have to go for the net. Get right back in. Get right back in. You got to keep going. You can't just stop out and be mad. It's okay to stop out of trades. The whole point of trading, you're going to lose 40% of the time. And once you understand that every trade you enter, that you're going to lose at least 40% of the time, once you understand that is when your trading's going to change. You get people, so many people are thinking they're just going to win and compound every day, 10% a day, 5% a day, blah, 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 blah. It's like, buddy, you got to learn to lose before you can get to that stage. Because the people that can make 2-3% a day, they'll probably lose 2%, and then they'll end up making 5% on the day, which brings them a 3%. Okay, we're getting a trade ready for y'all red people. We don't leave any man or woman behind. We don't leave them behind. We're all green. We all stay green. Like, if you just zoom out on the chart right now, like, we literally, guys, we were in puts right here, and we bought calls right here. If you just fucking zoom out. Like, in hindsight, of course. But look at that. Like, we were literally in puts, and we were in calls. We were in the two biggest plays of the day. I don't know, Smearlin. I don't pay attention to that shit, to be honest. I realize that the only big CPI shit, or the only thing that matters is CPI. If it's not CPI, there's not too much to look at. It's good to know. It's definitely good to know, but yeah, I'm doing that tonight at 7, Smearlin. I was busy yesterday. Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, okay. I thought you meant like for the government meeting. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna be on at 7 tonight, guys. And it's honestly just for beginners, guys. It's for people that are new to the program. So if you've been here from the start, you know what the you know what it is, anyways. Just telling you guys that from now. It's for new people, just to get everyone on the same. Like, I'm reaching for a play right now, guys. I've already doubled my daily goal. So I'm just trying to pick out the best play right now for you guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now. Puts, I want 455 puts at 455.20 in a box here. Calls, I want calls at 452. Those are pretty much the only levels I want to play right now. I wanted it too, but I don't want to yell it out. I didn't want to call it out to people. Only the best setups at the best price. I gave you the two best prices, 452 and then 455.20. Okay, those are the best prices for a call and the best price for a put. That's what it is. Those are the best plays. If you have a cash account, those are the best plays. Cash account plays, 455.20 and 452. Those are the cash account plays. If you are not a cash account play, I want puts at 454.71 and potentially calls at 453.94 support. if we can get up here. That's what I want. Okay? It's very simple. I don't trust this 30-minute chart. Looks like freaking garbage, guys. Like, how I can't even trade this. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I can't even trade that. Yo, enter in those polls. Guys, hit those polls if you have not hit them already. I need to know what I need to see what I'm working with right now. I need to see if there's any people red right now. Because if there's way more green than red, I'm not gonna risk making any more trades. I'm just being honest. I don't want to reach. And don't put red. Just don't fucking put red just because you want me to stay and make a trade. I'll fucking make a trade. Okay, so what did we do yet? Okay, that was shit. So it's pretty much like 60% people are always green to around 30% red. So how do we make the 30% red? How do we make 30% red green? What do I have to change? I need help from you guys that are red right now. So far we have 60% of people. Probably 70% of people are green every day compared to the red. So if you're red, y'all need to start speaking up. I need you guys to start speaking up, to be honest. No, I know I didn't do anything wrong. It's just some people may need help with they're not cutting quick enough. They don't know when to double down, when to add. I need to know why the people that are red are red. Okay, when to add. I will go over that tonight. Basically, I like adding guys I only add if I'm down, my contract is down at least 10 cents. That's when I add. I'm not going to add if I'm down 3 cents. What's the point? I still have the same cost average for the most part, right? I want to keep bringing my cost average down. You buy in at $2, a $2 contract. You double down at $1.90. Now your cost average went from $2 at 95. Okay, now and you have a 50% position. You let that go to 85. You double down. Now you have a 190%. Now you have a $1.90 cost average. So when it goes back up to $2, your original entry, you can sell for a 10-cent win if you wanted to. You understand that? Like, there's a reason why I size in, guys. So I can literally get out for a win where I first bought. That is the key to sizing in, but it has to be by doubles. 25% position, double down to 50. Then you double the 50 to 100% position size. So it seems like the issue is people are stopping out on the plays that make us money. That's what it seems like. So sizing in and knowing when to cut and when to add. That's what I'm getting from everyone. Kim A, I never look at how much percentage I'm down on a trade. I go by how many cents on the contract I'm down. Okay, I've got puts on my screen. I'm getting puts ready on my screen right now. 454 puts. I really want to see my level hit. Go up first, you bitch. Sorry, guys. I did not mean to swear. Okay, 454 puts on my screen. 454 puts on my screen. I'm probably going to do... I'm going to do a 1 day out. You choose your own contracts. I'm in at $1.50 right now. I have a starter position on puts. Mainly because if you check the 30-minute time frame, we broke through all these EMAs. We broke through all these. We came back up. We're at the 100 as well. It's a bigger overreaction play. And we also did the same thing on the 5-minute time frame. The reason why I did a starter, because we can still potentially hit 454. That's the reason why I did a starter, so I can double down up there. But technically, the way we're setting up right now, we should see a pullback. But I would not be surprised if this hits 454 first. Okay, we are at our key level again. We broke through it earlier. We came back up, retest it. I think we get a move to the downside. And my stop loss for this play, if you're not in, this is where we're supposed to buy. Safe contracts, do not do snipe puts. Or same day puts, sorry. My stop loss, when would this turn bullish and to hop out is probably going to be around 454.05 if it goes past that. Other than that, you bitch. Unbelievable. And this is where it goes down. What are these contracts at? It's doing the same freaking thing again. There you go. Fucking right. Oh, that was too close. Yo, you see how they literally, where I said before for it to stop out at, you see how it goes just a little fucking higher and falls off a cliff? Unbelievable, man. Oops, what contract are you guys doing? My contracts went down like 13 cents at max. If you're doing same days, you guys are gonna get fucked. Good job, D-Roy. You got July 26th? And what did you stop out for? Oh, Will entered puts just what? Yeah, see, this is the spot where to throw puts at, right? Like I know for a fact this is where we're supposed to put. This is why I call puts up here, right? But sometimes it can always overshoot. So if you are struggling with not having the capital to double down, or B, not having the money available, or whatever it is, just wait. Where we're supposed to buy, hold off a little bit, okay? Just hold off and let the play. And maybe if it goes over like it did here, then you can get back in, right? But this is an overreaction play on all time frames right now, right? On the 30 minutes and a come back down on the 30 minutes and a come back down on the 5 minute. Oh, Scrooge, you didn't add at the top, eh? It's okay. Remember, this is our key level, though, buddy. This is our key level right here. If this candle closes above, it's going to be bullish. It's going to go higher. V-shaped recoveries usually make higher highs as well. But we are at a key level, man. This should realistically come back to 453.50. Like, no questions asked. But that's what SPY's been doing. This is what's been happening lately. All of our key levels, it's going a little past it. So if you are finding yourself, or you can't double down, or you don't know when to add or whatnot, wait for the little bit over, right? This is our key level. Wait for it to sit here and go like this, and then you buy in, okay? Just wait. Wait for it to go past the key level. For people that cannot size in, having issues with sizing in, wait. Just wait, okay? Learn to start waiting. Just don't buy in when I buy in. I could bail myself out of almost any situation I enter. So when I buy in, you guys just wait. Like, this is a V-shaped recoveries. I'm gonna fucking enter same day right now, man. This looks so like bullshit. I got into same day puts right now, just for fun, just because I know it's gonna fucking fall off a cliff and it's pissing me off right now. Like, I'm saying 453.50, man. And I hit same puts because it's like an FU to the SPY. Like, that's how pissed off I am. I went same days because I know it's going to fucking fall off a cliff. It's not going to fall off a cliff, guys. It's going to retrace. But when I mean fall off a cliff, like, yo, I can make like 20 cents off of a snipe put. That's what I mean fall off a cliff. But remember, cash accounts 455.20 and if you really want, you can do safe puts at 454.71 and double down at 455.20. Those are for cash accounts. This area is for cash accounts. The one best play a day cash accounts, okay? I'm probably doing October puts in this range. Okay? I'm just being honest. Maybe even December, January. I feel like we are due for a pullback. And when I mean a pullback, I'm like realistically like 420. Sorry, I did not mean to say 420. 440, a realistic pullback 440. And like on a big scale 417, right? For a bit like the best spot to buy calls, 417. 415 to 417. I don't think it can go that low, but it's still bullish if it goes that low. For right now, I think the golden zone, like we are due for a pullback. I've done this. I rinsed and repeated this since January. I haven't held puts for a while, but now I'm gonna definitely get back in, probably at 455 with maybe January puts. I'm gonna go in heavy. To be honest, I'm giving myself time. And yeah, just so you guys know, just so we're all on the same page, okay? Let's go. Same day puts for the dub. Same day puts for the big dub. Same days for the big dub. I've only got stopped out of one play today, but technically one on it. I just jinxed myself. Go. I'm a seller right here. Okay? Where I'm selling my puts is 453.70. 453.70 I'm hitting. That's where I'm selling my puts at. I have a stupid fly in my room. It's fucking pissing me off right now. And I quit my vape, so I'm swearing a lot today, so I apologize. I quit nicotine, so I'm on edge. So I apologize. Everyone out there who have me on their work speakers or whatever, I apologize for swearing. I am going to stop swearing. My wife gets mad at me. Don't congratulate me. I'm about to go to the store right now and buy a freaking vape. Don't congratulate me yet. Zero willpower. I just have like a chest infection and like scared the shit out of me last night. So I'm like, I'm done quitting. And now like I want to fight this fly. I literally want to like fight this shit like on edge like that. Eat food, sugar, candy. I can. I'm supposed to be on a podcast in a week. I don't want to look like a freaking tubblehard. I've been trying to lose weight for so long. Super Dad Dusty. Sounds like you should quit, man. I'm debating on going buying those mints. Those nicotine mints. Good job, Super Dad Dusty. I've never smoked. I don't know if you guys know what shisha is, like hookah. I used to smoke shisha like multiple times a day. And like cigarettes here and there. D-Roy, you think I can avoid caffeine? Are you crazy? I'm a day trader. I couldn't give that up if my life depended on it. I can't. I know. I'll try though. Thanks for the advice though. Oh, for same with alcohol. Walnut ruined by what? Oh my god. Can you guys hear this fly? Jesus Christ. Puts are down 10 cents right now. I'm going to hold them. And if we just go higher, I'll sell them. Risk to reward. Seems like puts are the wave right here, to be honest. So maybe I'll just double down, bring my size down. And I had by the way, I had a stop loss on and it did not hit. Like, I guess it didn't work. That's why I wasn't tripping out. And then I looked, I'm like, what did I get stopped out for? And it didn't even stop me out. Honestly, fuck puts up here. I don't know what to do. Just put it here. If you're in puts, as long as we stay under this top, you're fine. If we break this top, it's going to go to 454.71. This is for like day traders going in with tiny amounts. It's not like put your full fucking port in here. I already went up over 10 cents on those puts. And if you didn't sell down here on a same day, you're stupid, because I was stupid and didn't sell. But it was still a good play. Okay, one sec, guys. I have this electric tennis racket. I'm going to go fuck this fly up. Hold on. Let me know if you guys hear this thing. Get over here. Y'all hear that? Oh, he dead. He's dead. So annoying when they go on your blinds. Oh my gosh. All right. 36 green, 9 red so far out of 180 people. Some people are not posting their polls. Guys, remember, some days are picture perfect. Some days are a little reachy, right? Some days they don't work out as planned, but sometimes they still do end up working out, but you could get stopped out. Don't worry. You have to get good at losing. Stick to your stop loss. Don't risk more than you're willing to make. Okay? Stay in there. Don't give up on yourself for always getting stopped out. It's a part of the learning curve, guys. If trading was easy, everyone would be rich, right? That's why I have this program to teach people what helped me. I try to teach what has helped me so you guys can learn. I'm trying to, like, everything I can just think of off the top of my head, I try to let you guys know. Yo, Walnut, you still in this? I am. I don't know if I should sell or not. Same price target. 453.70. It's only right it hits it. It's not going to hit it again, is it? Good job, TG. I'm still in this. I'm waiting for my price target to hit 453.70. And I'm up on the day, so I don't have a big size in here anyway, so I just don't give two shits. Yeah, guys, tonight, grab a drink with me. We are going to be going over, for all the new people here, it's not even if you're new at trading, it's more of a how I trade, how we trade as a community, how to prevent losses, how to prevent big losses. I'm just going to go over everything. So you can shoot some questions down in the I go to ask a question and just oh my god, you guys have been typing in here? I'm sorry, guys. Big L. I haven't even been looking at it. You can type your questions in there for tonight. 40 green, 9 red. Come on, guys. Put those polls in. But guys, I'm done for the day. Thank you guys for everything. Give me I'll see everyone tomorrow or tonight, sorry, at 7 p.m. If you are unable to make it tonight, do not worry because it's going to be recorded, okay? It's going to be recorded. Don't worry about it. And I'll see you guys all tonight. Everyone take care. Stay green. Stop over trading. 454.71. 454.71. And gap at 455.20. Everyone. There you go. That's all I want you guys to play. Okay? Yeah, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys tonight. DM me if you guys need any help with anything, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, see you guys later.